friends, let us learn about lightning in this video. Did you know that every second more than 100 lightning bolts strike our planet Earth? Every day has 216,000 seconds, which means that there are 10 million lightning bolts that strike our planet Earth every day. You may have heard lightning speed in some sentences. What is lightning speed? Do you want to guess? Lightning speed is about 186,000 miles, not per hour, not per minute, but per second. That is about 186,000 miles per second. Wow, that is super fast. According to science, one flash of lightning is brighter than 10 million 100 watts light bulbs. That is super bright. Don't ever look at it, you might go blind. Here are some interesting facts. The Greeks thought lightnings were thunderbolts sent out by Zeus, their king of gods. The Vikings thought it was Thor. Yes, our avenger Thor, striking his powerful hammer to create lightning bolts. The Native Americans thought it was a large thunderbird flapping its wings, flap, 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 to create thunderbolts. But today, science proves that lightning is electric current flowing through air. There are three types of lightning. One is Intracloud lightning. The second one is Intercloud lightning. The third one is cloud-to-ground lightning. Intracloud lightning is the most common type of lightning. It occurs when oppositely charged particles connect and form a channel within the same storm cloud. Intercloud lightning occurs when oppositely charged particles connect and form a channel between two different storm clouds. Cloud-to-ground lightning occurs when oppositely charged particles connect and form a channel between the storm cloud and the ground. Let's see how lightning is formed. The following 7 steps explains how cloud-to-ground lightning is formed. First, the storm clouds are formed in the atmosphere. The ice crystals and raindrops move very violently within the cloud and generate charged particles. The light particles in the storm cloud go up as positive charges, and the heavy particles settle down as negative charges. Keep in mind, the electric current always flows from negative charge to positive charge. As negative charges build up on the bottom of the storm cloud, an opposite electric charge builds up in the ground. After this, small sparks called streamers shoot downward from the storm cloud
and streamers from the ground shoot upward. When both streamers' paths successfully meet, a channel is formed and thus lightning bolt is born. The actual lightning we see in the sky is not the electric current flowing downward. It is the return stroke of electric current flowing upward from the ground.
Why does lightning travel in a zigzag line and not in a straight line? Can you guess the right answer?
Is it because lightning does not have heat? Or is it because lightning just travels randomly? Or is it because air is not a conductor and does not easily allow the flow of lightning?
The right answer is number 3. Because air is not a conductor. Okay, alright, let us learn how thunders are made. Lightning creates electric current, we know that, and it also creates heat.
The heat generated from lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of sun. The temperature is about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This in turn causes the air to expand and cool at a violent speed. This change in air particles creates sound waves, which is called, can anyone guess? Thunder!
Now let's compare light waves and sound waves. We all know that light waves and sound waves come from storm clouds. Light waves are called lightning and sound waves are called thunder. Light waves travel 1 million times faster than sound waves. That's why we see lightning immediately when it occurs.